So if you've taken chemistry already, you probably don't even need to watch this video, but this is just a reminder if you've forgotten or if you haven't taken chemistry on unit analysis. And if you'd like a more detailed video about unit analysis, I actually do have one in my chemistry playlist too you can go watch. So unit analysis is just the process of using conversion factors, which are equivalent to 1, in order to convert from one unit to another. And so in this video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to perform unit analysis by going from miles per hour to meters per second. Now, a lot of times at the beginning, I'll have you do some conversions just because I know that you have you have an idea in your mind of what miles per hour means and how fast that is, and it might not be as intuitive, or you might not be able to understand quite as well when I talk about meters per second. But as we move forward, I try not to make everything super conversion heavy. Like, I don't want you to have to spend a lot of time doing conversions just for the sake of doing conversions. So, but we'll just start by doing a few that will go from miles per hour to meters per second. So I'm just going to demonstrate one here for you. So let's say that we have a car that's going 45 miles per hour. So I would write like that, or sometimes you'll see like this. Okay, and I'm told that it accelerates at some rate of meters per second. Well, then I need to convert my speed to, or my velocity here, to meters per second. Okay, so that's the conversion I'm trying to make. So I always start with unit analysis by writing the number that I'm given, and I'm going to convert to meters per second. So I've got 45, and I'm going to put miles on top over 1 hour on the bottom. And in order to go from miles to meters, I can say that 1 mile is roughly 1,600 meters. And you can look that up. You can Google it or whatever in order to get the right amount. So I put the 1 mile on the bottom, so my miles will cancel, and the 1,600 meters on top. So I have my top unit where I want it to be. I want it to be in meters, but I still need to get the bottom to be in seconds. So I can start by going from hours to minutes first. And since I want the 1 hour to cancel, I need to have 1 hour on top here. On the bottom, I would have 60 minutes. And then I want the minutes to cancel, and so I want to go to seconds. So I put 1 minute on top to get my minutes here to cancel. And I put 60 seconds on the bottom. All right, so I will end up with meters over seconds. Any numbers that is on the top gets multiplied. Any number on the bottom gets divided. And I typically just work my way left to right. So I'm going to take 45 times 1,600 divided by 60, divided by 60. And so 45 miles per hour, you can't really see that, there's a glare, is actually 20 meters every second. Right? So it's just a quick example on unit analysis. And again, like I said, there's a chemistry video if you want more details, or if you've already taken chemistry, you can probably just skip this altogether.